Hi Edward, hi Becky. This is the first in some very quick videos reflecting back our conversation from last night. This is Master 1C4. You asked me to look at 4 baskets and 3 shelves. So we've retained the existing shelf, and this is what that looks like. The other change that I've made here is I've moved everything over to the right, so that previously I was showing you that all positioned centrally, so that saves you one vertical and it gives you arguably a more useful space here. Let's just give this a bit of a slow rotation before we move on to the next one. Okay, now this is a variation on that. I wanted to show you what this space would look like. Previously I was showing a 600 wide basket. This is a 450 wide basket. It's marginally less efficient in terms of volume of storage per pound, but it's very marginal. So I just wondered if, and I'm going to get rid of the transparency there because that makes that slightly clearer, is this space more useful than the 600 wide where we had the 600 wide here, with 4 baskets or 3 baskets? That's worth considering. Okay, so I'm going to give you 2D drawings of both of these. Ignore, on these latest drawings, ignore anywhere where these components appear to be offset or where I haven't, they don't appear to be trimmed. Just the component count is right. This is all trimming, cutting and adjusting that I'll be doing on site, and I don't want to spend time now making the drawings look pretty. They are very pretty already. Okay, thanks for that. Next one coming up.